Alalay.
What does that mean?
Maid.
Maid.
Wait.
Good.
Give me your nails.
No need.
No? Kailangan talaga yung sabihan pa siya na maggupit na po. Haba na ng... Parang may bata kong anak. Kailangan pa siya sabihan.
You cannot speak Tagalog. Because I don't understand.
Ha?
Because I don't understand.
You don't understand?
Yes. You cannot speak.
It's okay. Yung hair niya, pinahaba niya.
Yeah. Before tomorrow we're going to come here.
Papagupit niya na daw. Will go to cut your hair.
Mm.
Because last time, he said you want to have a long hair, right? And then, I said, okay, don't cut your hair because when I go back to Taiwan, you will become a Daomisu.
Mm.
So yun, kahapon, nagpunta kami Meteor Garden. Ginawa ko siyang Daomisu.
Mm.
Para di sayang yung pagpapahaba niya ng hair.
Mm. This one need to be careful. Don't cut too short. Because if I cut too short, this one will stuck inside the head. It's very cool.
Para siyang bata, no? Para siyang batang... Oh, gumala parang bata. Oh, diba? Ganyan yun siya. Parang, diba? Parang walang alam sa buhay. Naman, nakadila pa yan. Tingin yung mukha niya, nakadila. Tama. Seryoso siya. Oh, nakadila pa yan. One time nga, magkasama kami sa, sasakyan. Siya yung naghatid sa akin. Siya yung nag-book ng Grab. Tapos, nung hinatid niya ako, akala nung driver, kapatid ko. So sabi ko, hindi ko kapatid yan. Sabi ko, kuya, boyfriend ko yan. Kasi akala niya kapatid ko kasi nga mukhang bata. Tapos may dala siyang backpack that time. Akala high school na kapatid ko. Diyos ko po. Pinagkamalan pang magkapatid. One time ginupit ko siya. Sinagad ko kasi ganito ako magupit sa kuko ko. Hindi na nga ako nagpa-nails kasi nga di ako sanay na mahaba yung kuko ko. Sugatan ko siya.
Okay, it's the same.
Same lang din yung mga night market.
Yeah, because people always like those things. So those market was sold those things. So maybe it's similar like 80% to 90%. Same things. Yeah.
Clean?
It's been good, right?
Okay.
That's why it's not
Up here.
sour.
Sip. Oh, here, your nails. Ah, heaven.
Not heaven.
Not heaven. Just what? Ew! Yuck! Throw it! Ew.
Right, you always ew.
Ew.
You girl.
Ew, girl.
Where you girl? Where you girl? Huh?
Hot dog. Laman?
Cheese dog.
Cheese dog.
Lemon juice dog.
Laman cheese dog. Hot dog.
Hot dog, diddy dog.
Hot dog. You are angry. Why you always shout?
Because that is my, I want to be a monster.
You want to be a monster,
Yeah.
but many people will don't like you.
I don't care.
Because when you are mad, you always shout.
I'm a bad person. I don't want to be a good person.
Why?
Because good person don't have a good response. Bad person always smell till the end. So I am a bad person.
Ayaw niya maging mabait kasi nga di naman doon parang di nababalik. Parang ganun yung point niya. Siguro, niisip niya parang tinitake for granted ka ng ibang tao. Ganun yung point niya. Di ba? Nagets ko siya. So you want to be a bad person?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. I'm a bad person.
You're a bad person?
Yes.
So, like you want to be a superstar?
Yeah, superstar can be a bad person also. They just can enjoy my things. I'm a bad person. Enjoy my video. They will be happy.
Okay.
Yes. How to cut my right hand?
How to...
Because I don't even use that. Because I have right hand.
Okay, you are left-handed. Okay.
Oh, no need.
Kasi nakat ko yung sa hapa niya dati.
Yeah, how to cut my right hand? I can use my right hand.
Okay. Ayaw niya na. Kasi nakat-cut dati yung paa niya.
You sure? You will get hurt. I don't trust you.
I don't trust. No, I will not. It's okay. Ayaw niya na. Pero parang bata eh. Oh.
I will do it myself. Right.
Natakot. In my ears, do you have the freaking...
In my wallet.
Okay.
You want to put in your ear? In my wallet here. In the coin place. You can use the alcohol to clean first. You see?
No.
Here.
Where is the alcohol?
So how?
You take it.
You wash?
Here. Okay, done? Your nails?
Yeah.
Okay, what's wrong? Your tissue. Tissue.
Why?
Tissue. Banding namin to. Lagi. Madalas. Clean ng paa, clean ng nails, clean ng tenga. You. No, I'm not 30.
Did
Di
you
pa
wash?
naliligo.
Did you wash?
Not yet.
So you have to... I need a light.
Light. Ganyan kami dalawa.
What?
No. I like it. Pero naging sa tenga.
Your ear is clean, I think.
Diba? Naging sa tenga.
Is it okay? Do you clean yours?
Just check maybe there's a it's dirty.
Put it under, I can see. Let's get it hurt you.
I will tell you if it's hurt. Is it up? How can you take?
There's no stain. Your ear is clean.
There's... Really?
Yes. Yeah. No, don't have anything.
Just check if it's dirty.
Did you clean yesterday?
Last time.
Last time when?
Maybe.
I scared to hurt you. I don't want to use too deep.